Hi, dear students. Hope all are fine and safe at your home. A warm welcome to all of you to this new academic year. May God bless you all. And before starting the class, let us all pray to God to end this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Okay, dear students, so let us start the first class. So, in this first class, I will give you a brief description about each chapter and the softwares, which all softwares are used in each chapter. Okay, so I am not going in detail. I will just give a brief description about each chapter. For the time being, you just understand which all softwares are used in each chapter. So total there are 8 chapters in our ICT subject. Now I have prepared a table, so we will move to that table. So these are the chapter names, and here I have written the name of the software for each chapter. Okay, so what is the first chapter? Let us write a letter. Let us write a letter. And which software we are using for that chapter? LibreOffice Writer. So this software is very familiar to you, dear students. In your 5th standard and 6th standard, you have studied about this software. Okay, so the same thing we are doing here. So what all the things we have studied in LibreOffice Writer? We have studied the formatting tools, the style tools such as bold, italics, underline and all. Is it, dear students? Yes. And we have studied some of the alignment tools such as left alignment tool, center alignment tool, right alignment tool, justify and so on. And also we have studied how to color a text and all. So these things we have already studied in our previous classes. The same thing we are again studying here. So how to create a birthday card, how to write a letter, okay, how to format a letter. All these things will be studied in this first chapter. Okay, and we are using a software called LibreOffice Write. Now let us move to the second chapter. The chapter name is Mathematical Figures in the Computer. Mathematical Figures in the Computer. So here we are using a software called GeoGebra. GeoGebra. So this software also you have studied in your standard 5 and standard 6. Okay. So this is also very familiar to you. Okay. So in this chapter we will be again studying how to find the angle between two lines and so on. Okay, the tools used in GeoGebra likewise. Okay, so we are using a software called GeoGebra in our second chapter. Now what is the third chapter? What fun it is to draw. So from the name itself, you can identify that this is a chapter for drawing pictures. This is a chapter for drawing pictures. So we are using a software called Color Paint. We are using a software called Color Paint. So this software is also familiar to you in your 5th standard. Standard 5 you have studied this software. Okay, so in this software, what all things you have studied? There are so many tools like pen tool, pencil tool, brush tool, flood fill tool to color the picture, and polygon tool, curve tool, etc. So we will be studying these tools. Okay, for the time being, you just understand we are using color paint software for the third chapter. Okay, dear students. Now the fourth chapter, sound recording in the computer. Sound recording in the computer. So from the name itself you can identify that this is a software used for recording the sound. This is the software used for recording the sound. Okay, so we are using a software called Audacity. Audacity. So this software is new to you. Okay, you have not yet studied this software. So the software name is Audacity, and this software is used for, yes, for recording the sound. So we will be studying in detail at that time. For the time being, you just understand the name of the software. Now the fifth chapter, the tortoise that draws pictures. The tortoise that draws pictures. So here we are using a software called Turtle Art. Turtle Art. So this is a very interesting software. That is, when you open this software, you can see a tortoise. You can see a tortoise. So if you are giving an instruction that go forward, then the tortoise will move forward. Now if you are typing go right, then the tortoise will move right side. Now if you are typing go left, then the tortoise will move left side. Okay, so this is very interesting software. The software name is Turtle Art. Now the next chapter, along the information pathways. So this chapter is regarding internet. This chapter is regarding internet. So you have already studied this Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. So these are the web browsers. What is its use? It is used to search informations and pictures. You have studied in your 6th standard. What is the use of web browsers? It is used to search the information and pictures. Examples are Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. So that's it. Now chapter 7, the chapter 7 name is data analysis. Okay, so this is a new software to you. This is very important software for your higher classes. Okay, and this is very useful when you are going for a job and all. This is very important software. So we'll be studying in detail at that time. For the time being, you just understand the name of the software, LibreOffice Calc. So you maybe already know the software called Excel. Did you hear, my dear students, the software called Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and all? So similar to that this software. Okay, LibreOffice Calc. So this is used for analysis and all, for calculating the sum, for calculating the average and all. So we will be studying in detail at that time. For the time being, you just understand the name. Now the next chapter, the last chapter, let us make our presentations impressive. So here we are using a software called LibreOffice Impress. LibreOffice Impress. So this is also a new software to you. So you may be already heard about PowerPoint presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, PPT. You heard about that, dear students? Yes. The same thing here we are using LibreOffice Impress. So you will be given a topic, so you can create many presentations with beautiful design and all. So I'll be teaching in detail. So for the time being, you just understand, then study the name of the software. So these are the eight chapters we need to study in this year for the subject ICT. Okay, this is the name of the subject, Information and Communications Technology, ICT. Okay, and dear students, please study the name of the softwares for each chapter. Okay, dear students. So what all things we have studied today? Yes, the name of the chapters, a brief description about each chapter, and which all softwares we are using for each chapter. Okay, so as a homework, dear students, please draw this table. Please draw this table, given table in your notebook. Please draw this table in your notebook. I will be checking your notebook in the Google Meet. So hope all are clear about today's class. The next class we will be starting the first chapter. Let us write a letter using LibreOffice Write. Okay. So thank you very much, my dear students.